Hello guys, welcome to one more video from GATE 2020. This is question number 24 and the question says, in cold working, for the sheet to be drawn into rolls, the angle of contact or the angle of bite should be less than or equal to dash degree, and given is the coefficient of friction between the sheet and the roll, which is 0.1. Okay, so in rolling, so basically the given value is mu, which is equal to 0.1. This is nothing but the coefficient of friction between the sheet and the roll. And always remember, in rolling we have a condition that the coefficient of friction should always be greater than or equal to tan theta. What is theta here? Theta is nothing but the angle of bite or the angle of contact. And from this you can easily say tan theta should be less than or equal to 0.1. Correct? That's the given value. So that means theta is less than or equal to tan inverse of 0.1. Okay, and if you actually do this in terms of degrees, you will be getting theta is less than or equal to 5.71 degrees. Okay, so the theta or the angle of contact or the angle of bite should actually be less than 5.71 degrees. Okay, this is very important because you need to actually maintain the certain angle of contact, right? So that there will be proper friction and the rolling can actually take place smoothly. Okay, and one more thing which I want to add upon is, from the same thing only we'll be actually getting something called as H max, the maximum reduction of thickness in a single pass, which will be mu square r. Okay, so this is also one more important formula which you come across many times in GATE questions, so I thought maybe I can include that. And what is this? H max is nothing but the reduction per pass, okay, we get from the same condition. Okay, so from there you can actually see what is tan theta in terms of H and R. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you understand the concept of angle of contact. Again, we'll see in the other video. Thank you guys.